can I help you?
Sir, I am the new assistant loco pilot. I am joining duty today.
Oh, you are Karthik Kumar? Welcome to Indian Railways. Here is your appointment letter.
Thanks, sir.
Shouldn't you be reporting for first day training? Who is your reporting officer?
Sir, I think it's someone called Satidar.
Oh well. Good luck out there.
Are you Karthik Kumar?
Yes, sir.
You are late.
Sir, I went to collect my appointment.
I do not want any excuses.
Sorry, sir. It won't happen again.
Now get in quickly. We do not have holiday. I do not know what they taught you at the loco pilot. Push the throttle gently. Good. Now keep going and reach a speed of 40. Some more. Nicely done. Now gently slow down and reach a speed of 30. Clean work. Do you think you can handle more speed? Okay then. Quickly speed up to 60. Some more. Not bad at all, Karthik. I will take it from here. This is just the beginning, Mr. Kumar. There's a lot you need to prove. I have something for you.
What is it, sir?
Here is your uniform.
Thank you, sir.
And here is your walkie-talkie. Keep this safe and with you at all times.
Thank you, sir.
I will teach you how to use it tomorrow. Do not be late again.
Oh look, it's Karthik Dhandapani.
Hey Rajiv, I don't why you keep calling me that when you know my name is Karthik Kumar.
You are Karthik Kumar to others. To me, you will always be a Dhandapani. Anyway, what are you doing here? I didn't expect to see you.
I have joined work here.
I didn't know they were hiring a gangman. I would have personally recommended your name if I knew.
Haha, very funny. You know we both studied to become loco pilots.
What? You? A loco pilot? Ha ha ha. This is too funny. I thought you would never graduate from the academy.
You haven't changed at all, have you?
See you around. Loco pilot.
Your kind attention, please. Train number 1.
I see that you arrived on time.
Yes, sir.
What was that man telling you?
Who Rajiv, sir? Nothing, we studied together. He was my senior at the academy, sir.
I trained him too. Hope you are better than him. I hope you remember what you learned yesterday. Always blow horn before leaving. Good. Now depart from station and attain the speed of 40. Good. Now keep going and reach Arakkona.
What was that, sir? Sir, did I do something wrong?
No, that wasn't you. Take out your walkie-talkie and do as I say.
Attention loco pilot. This is the guard.
Assistant Loco Pilot Karthik Kumar here. Looks like someone has pulled the chain. Check immediately.
Okay, I am going now. Who pulled the chain?
Who helped pull the chain?
What was their seat?
They were traveling without the
Okay, I will. The chain was pulled in S4 coach. I am going to reset ACP now. Please wait. I have reset the ACP. Ready to leave now. Can you submit report to the RM?
I will.
You handled that very well. Now push throttle and continue. We have to submit report at next station. Did I not teach you to honk before leaving from station? Pay attention. Start slowing down. Bring the train to stop in the green zone.
5,
I am working on speed testing a new top.
passengers.
Satada sir said you may not come on time.
I was late one time, but he will never stop mentioning that, I guess.
First impressions matter. Hi, I'm Kavita. I'm the loco engineer.
Hi. Karthik. Satada sir informed me you are on the team. Is there anything I need to know about the mission today?
We are performing the final trials of the new loco developed indigenously in Banaras. If today's test goes well, we may end up breaking the old speed record.
What is the current record?
The current speed record is 206 kilometers per hour in 60 seconds. We have to break that today.
That sounds very challenging.
Yes, but we are positive. Look, Satada sir has come. Let's get into the loco.
The route is cleared for us. All speed limits are disabled. Our goal is to break the speed record in 45 seconds or less. Kavitha, when I tell you, start the countdown. Karthik, as soon as the timer starts, push the throttle to full. Are you both ready? On my countdown. 3, 2, 1, start.
655 Passenger Express destination.
Keep going. We have to create a new India speed record.
Fantastic effort team. We have done it.
Final train showing day-to-day traffic. Duloco is ready for service.
Yeah, it was thrilling to drive, sir.
Everyone on the mission today has received a framed certificate of today's speed record. Here is your copy.
Thanks, sir.
Station master just confirmed to me that minister has accepted our invitation for inaugural run of the loco.
That's great news, sir.
We should start preparing for inauguration. It will be a special day for us all. Hello Karthik.
Yes, sir. Good morning. Your voice sounds bad.
I am not feeling well. I am afraid I can't be there for the inauguration tomorrow.
But, sir, you are being felicitated. You were looking forward to this day so much.
Ah, such is life. It is okay. That is why I want you to be there instead of me. You will drive the inaugural run.
Sir, but how? I can't do it without you.
You must. Station master suggested Rajivar's name, but I insisted it must be you.
I don't know what to say.
In the morning, go to my office and pick up the suit I stitched for the inauguration.
Passengers, your kind attention please. Train number 12655 passenger
For the last 6 months, after multiple trials and due to tireless work of our engineers, we successfully completed just last week. Under the guidance of Mr. Sathidar, Assistant Loco Pilot Karthik Kumar and Engineer Kavita Bhatt. Together they have shattered the India speed record and made the world turn. Since Sathidar couldn't join us today, I request Mr. Karthik Kumar to come forward to receive this medal.
attention please. Train number 12655 passenger express.
Now I will travel from Bangalore to Vanyambadi in this new creation of Indian Railways.
Good morning, Beta. I have always wanted to travel in the loco cabin. My dream has finally come true. Is that the horn? Shall I press it? Aha! What an awesome sound! How do you guys drive in rain, Beta? Point me to the wiper. I will turn it on. It's quite cool. You can turn it off now. Beta, is this the headlight? Wow! So bright even during daytime. Thanks for indulging me, Beta. My curiosity got the better of me.
Express passengers, your kind attention please. Train number 12611 Garib Rath Superfast Express. Passengers, your passengers.
Hello, it's Karthik, right?
Yes, sir.
It was a good inauguration ceremony yesterday. You look sharp in that suit.
Thank you, sir.
You seem to have adjusted well. I think Sathidar has mentored you well.
Yes, sir. Everyone has made me feel welcome here.
So listen. The government is planning these trains to transport oxygen across country.
So when is this going to happen?
The details are still thin, but it's going to happen after they decide on a name for it. Right now, the higher-ups have asked me to look for able loco pilots for this critical mission.
We have Satada, sir.
Yes, but I think he won't be returning for at least 2 weeks. Anyway, off you go. We'll keep you posted. You will partner with Rajiv starting today.
Oh, okay, sir.
Platform number 3. Passengers,
Dhanda Pani. Looks like your Saturday sir is gone.
He'll be back, Rajiv.
I still can't believe you actually got this job. Whose recommendation did you have?
Not everyone has relatives in positions of power, Rajiv. Some of us have to work hard to succeed.
Oh, looks like I touched a nerve. We'll see how far your hard work takes you.
Passengers, your kind attention please. Train number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Passenger Express is scheduled.
Array, call the TTR.
Hi, somebody pull the chain.
Looks like someone has pulled the.
Ari, these people have no job. They keep.
Satada sir taught me to hope for the best, but prepare for the worst.
Okay, stop talking and tell that fat guard to reset the ACT.
Attention loco pilot, this is the guard.
Manohar ji, Karthik here.
There is an emergency situation.
What happened?
The TTR just informed me that there is a pregnant lady traveling in coach S3. She is having severe labor pains and immediately needs medical attention.
Some passenger pulled the chain in panic. Oh, that's not good. Should we go back?
Go back? Are you crazy? We can't go back now. We have come too far.
Then we have to rush and reach Arakonam as soon as possible.
You cannot reach Arakonam in 2 minutes. It's impossible.
It's not impossible if I can carefully exceed speed limit.
You can't risk the lives of everyone for one woman. We can't do anything to save her.
Manohar ji, I am going to try and reach Arakonam.
Good luck Karthik, I will immediately reset ACT. We are ready to go.
Please inform the Arakonam station master so they can arrange for ambulance.
I will.
This is why I told Satada I didn't want to partner with you.
Will you calm down for a second? Things turned out okay at the end.
That foolish man didn't listen to a word I said.
Rajiv, you can't talk like that about Satada sir.
The last thing I need right now is babysitting a newbie who won't follow orders. What you did today was way out of line. You risked the life of everyone to save one person.
Unlike you, I trust my skills, Rajiv. I was confident about doing this safely.
But I don't trust you at all. I am going to report this to the Rajendran sir. I won't partner with you ever again.
1, 2. Passengers, your kind attention.
Hello Karthik, where are you?
Hi Kavita, I'm on duty today. I'm currently at Vanyambadi.
Some media people have come to interview the crew of yesterday's trip.
Interview? What for?
Apparently, the woman who had medical emergency yesterday is minister's relative. Somehow, press got the news that the loco pilot was responsible in saving the life of both mother and child. Rajiv is already here. They are waiting for you. Can you reach in 10 minutes?
If there is no delay, I can reach.
Okay, then come soon.
Scheduled departure from
Attention loco pilot. There is a massive track maintenance work going on ahead. Please slow down and follow the updated speed limit. Make sure you honk repeatedly to alert the workers.
Okay, thanks for the heads up.
This is the station master again. You have crossed the low speed limit zone now. You can give up to your cruising speed now.
Karthik, have you reached?
No, I am still on my way.
It's too late. The interview has already started. Rajiv is talking to the press.
Sir, what happened out there was incredible. You saved not one but two lives yesterday. Well, Did you know that the passenger was minister's relative? I am just finding out the news from you. How did you decide you needed to take that risky call? Actually, my partner Karthik was strongly against it. But in my heart, I knew I had to do the right thing. Things could have gone very wrong though. I made a decision that even if this was going to get me fired, I should do the right thing. How do you feel that the woman is naming her newborn son Rajiv in your honor? Well, all I can say is I'm touched by her gesture. I wish the mother and child well. Thanks.
Hey Karthik,
Hello.
you never told me that your friend Rajiv did such a brave thing yesterday.
He's not my friend, and things didn't happen the way he put it.
He has become the talk of the town. You are lucky to have a partner like him.
Well, lucky me, I guess.
He said you were against his idea. I didn't expect that from you.
That's too bad. I need to go now.
passengers.
That Rajiv is a sneaky little man.
What do you mean?
I know it was your decision to go faster that saved the woman's life.
But how do you know?
I heard what he said on the walkie-talkie. If I were in your place, I'd tell everyone the truth.
No, please let this go. I don't want to create any controversy.
You are too kind. What he deserves is a nice kick and a suspension.
What goes around comes around, Manohar ji. Anyway, you said you wanted to discuss something about the trip?
Oh yeah, as you know, the forest between Arakonam and Vaniambadi is an elephant crossing zone. We have been repeatedly hearing reports of elephants blocking the path last week. Do you know the standard operating procedure if we encounter elephants?
I have read in the academy.
This kit contains everything the loco pilot needs to handle this situation. This is just a precaution. In any case, Rajiv is the loco pilot and he must know the procedure.
My phone has been ringing non-stop since yesterday. Everyone wants to interview me.
YouTube is fully trending with videos about what you did.
Yeah, all my friends and distant family have been sending me those videos.
But Rajiv, how did you make such a smart decision under pressure?
Well, I think I give my best when I am put in a stressful situation.
We are all proud of what you did. You are talk of the town and the superstar of our department.
Thanks, Kavi. You're too kind. Do you drive today? I have so many messages I need to reply to. Let me know if you need help with anything. I'm right here.
655 Passenger Express.
Attention loco pilot. This is the Bangalore station master speaking.
Assistant Loco Pilot Karthik Kumar here. How can I help?
As you know, the forest between Vaniambadi and Bangalore is an elephant crossing zone. You will be approaching that zone soon.
Yes, we are aware and have come prepared.
We just got reports from Bangalore Shatabdi loco pilot. Multiple angry elephants are blocking the track as this is their natural habitat. We request you to please be alert and follow protocol. We will assist you further in case you do spot them. Elephants here?
Yes, what do I do?
Blow horn and see if they budge. Have they dispersed?
Negative.
Loco pilot has to gate down and follow the SOP.
Karthik, do what the station master says.
But you are the loco pilot.
I am not going to go down and fight those crazy animals. Either you do it or tell the guard to do it.
Have they dispersed?
Negative.
Then we have one final option. Find firecrackers from the kit. Light and throw them.
If I had done it, it wouldn't have taken this long. Do you have a lot to learn? I think that Satadar is a terrible teacher or you are a terrible student.
I hope I don't regret doing this.
Unless Karthik just tried to punch me.
From the look on your face, looks like he succeeded.
It's not funny, he assaulted a senior.
I am sure you must have done something to deserve it.
I am going to complain against both of you.
Go ahead, I know you lied to the media about saving that woman's life. I heard you on my walkie-talkie.
What? No way.
Yes, and I am going to tell everyone what you did.
No, please don't.
I hope you enjoyed your moment in spotlight because I am going to get you suspended.
Karthik,
What do you want, Kavita?
I wanted to talk to you about what happened the other day.
I don't have time for this right now.
I know Rajiv lied.
What?
Yes, Manohar ji told everyone at office what happened that day.
He did?
Yeah, Rajendran sir was furious. He is considering taking disciplinary action against Rajiv. He has been put on administrative leave.
Oh, I don't know what to say.
You are going to be driving the Oxygen Express tonight.
Oh, is this confirmed news?
Yes, Rajendran sir asked me to inform you.
Thanks.
I am sorry, I should not have doubted you.
That's okay, Kavita.
No, Karthik, I feel really bad. How can I make it up for it?
You can buy me ice cream.
We'll see about that.
Hello, Karthik.
Hello, sir. How are you doing now?
I am doing good. I am working from home. This is the longest I have been away from driving trains. I can't wait to come back next week.
We miss you, sir. So much happened in your absence.
Rajendran called me. He told how you handled things with dignity and poise.
It's nothing, sir.
I heard you are on night duty for this important Oxygen Express mission, Karthik.
Yes, sir.
Collect PPE suit from my office. Be well protected out there.
Thanks, sir.
Rajendran is already in Vijayawada. He will meet you after you reach there.
Okay, sir.
0201 Goods Express is scheduled to depart from platform number 3. Passengers, your kind attention please.
You have a big mission today, Karthik.
I am feeling nervous.
Don't worry, you will be okay.
Thanks.
You have to reach Vijayawada in time. The team is waiting there already.
Yes, I was informed. Is the train ready to go?
Yes, everything is checked and cleared. Good luck, Karthik. I will be there to assist you. Do you need to know anything else?
Yeah, one more important thing.
What is it?
What flavor of ice cream do you like?
Oh, shut up, Karthik. You have to reach Bangalore within 220 seconds. The signal is red now. When it turns green, you are clear to leave. Leave now. time. The team will take it from here. You did a good job, Karthik.
Goods Express is
Well done, Karthik.
It's all your
I think
up, sir.
anyway,
Anything?
I heard you are.
Yes, sir.
Could you get an
Ha ha ha. I will try, sir.
Please do.
What is it, sir?
10. Passengers.
Good morning, Kavita.
Good morning.
Is the train ready for today's task?
Yes, the art director and her team were working all night and it is finally ready.
Are they shooting a song or a dance sequence?
It doesn't matter what they are shooting. You just take the train and reach the shooting spot. The film director will tell you what to do next.
Rajendran sir asked me to get an autograph of Suleiman Khan for his daughter.
I suspect he wants it for himself.
Don't you want an autograph also?
No, he is not my favorite hero.
Who is your favorite hero then?
I'll tell you when we go get ice cream.
Done. We'll go out tomorrow.
Karthik, are you ready to be late today?
Yes, Manohar ji. Can we start?
Yes, take the train to the shooting so then we can see the rider.
5. Passenger Express is scheduled to depart from platform number 1. Passengers, your kind attention please. Train number 1.
Are you the driver?
Yes, I am the loco pilot.
Let me brief you about the job. After we finish loading camera and crew on top of the train, you can start driving. Steadily reach a speed of 35 by the time you reach the bridge.
And then?
Then we will start the cameras and shoot for 60 seconds.
I can do that.
It's a risky stunt sequence and you must drive carefully. Any sudden jerk and we will risk the life of our film crew. Are you confident you can do this?
Yes.
Then let's go. We need to wrap up before we lose the light. Lights, camera, action.
Hello, sir. I am the loco pilot who drove the train today.
Oh buddy, good job out there.
It was a thrilling scene, sir. I'm surprised to see you don't use a stunt double.
I like doing my own stunts, buddy. You don't become a superstar without taking a few risks.
My boss wanted me to get your autograph.
Sure buddy, here you go.
Passengers, your kind attention please. Train number 1.
Good evening, sir.
Come in, Karthik. I am guessing you have brought something for me.
Yes, sir. Here's the autograph you asked for.